What's going on, Tyler? Tyler is asking me to break down BAC. This is on the 1 day, 1 minute chart. Here we go. 180-day analysis. I actually want you guys, if it's okay for me to ask, for us to do these breakdowns together, right? Here we go. So BAC, we could see that we almost formulated this like double bottom for what it is, right? Overall, it's been a descending pattern. It formulated this double bottom. One of the things that I want to point out, and again, I'm just here to share my opinion on both the good and the bad. I like that it's uptrending, right? I'm going to talk about some of the attractive things. I like that the EMA line is pointing up. I like that it's showing signs of an uptrend. It's been showing signs of growth for the past week. Overall direction, not so good. Now, this is what I find to be very important. Again, I'm a deal hunter, and yes, big picture, it looks like a good deal. But if the market continues to correct itself, and then the market, if it continues to sell off, which is 100% right, it wouldn't surprise you if that were to happen. Look at the MACD and look at the RSI. Although it is uptrending, it looks based off of recent patterns, not overall patterns, right? Recent patterns. It looks like it's a little bit more on the overextended side. So I think that this, again, is not the best deal with where it's at right now. If anything, if you think that it's going to continue to uptrend, look how it's been trending. It's been bouncing off the EMA line. I would wait for confirmation, but in my honest opinion, based off of how it's been trading, I would expect this thing to begin to pull back and to begin to break below the EMA line and then continue to sell off. So I don't know what's going to happen, and confirmation is key, right? But just as much as it could go up, it could 100% go down. So I just find it to be based off of current patterns to be a little bit more on the overextended side. So again, I pointed out the MACD, I pointed out the RSI. These are indicators that I use. You don't have to use them. I just use them as references. I never trade 100% off of them. So please understand that, yes, overall, big picture, it is oversold. But based off of current market conditions and how things have been trading and been so inconsistent and choppy, I would just not risk it. It's just, if it does continue to uptrend, then wait for that direction. But most likely, based off of, previous highs, you can see why it can begin to pull back and continue to descend. So I really do appreciate the call out. I just think it's a little bit more on the overbought side than it is on the oversold side. So yeah, overall SMA line is trending down. Good point on that. Yeah, I didn't even point that out. So overall, it's been descending, right? But yeah, I just think that because of the current market condition, I'm just a little weary of it, right? Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. So will Hurricane Dorian affect anything in the market, and what are your thoughts? That's probably something that I can talk about a little bit later, Chris, if it's okay. I still need to read a little bit more about it, but 100%, there are certain steps that people are taking when it comes down to companies, and especially for a lot of commodities that I trade, shutting down certain wells, right? In the East Coast, especially in that Florida area. So that's something that I can talk about a little bit later. A lot of people that watch me don't trade ETFs, so it wouldn't necessarily be of value, but I'll probably talk to the Learn Plan Profit group about it, and if people want me to share more about it, for those that care about my opinion, I can definitely do that. So let's go SCO way. Here we go. So we got Lululemon. Huge shout out to Nathan for we joke around with Nathan. Well, Nathan just became a partner with them. So yeah, but he loves Lululemon. So here we go. LU. Overall, it's been an uptrend pattern. What